I welcome you all my dear students. Today we are going to solve last year question papers, that is 2017. Section A, question number 1. The greatest number that can be formed from digits 2, 3, 1, 8. इस डिजिट से ग्रेटर नंबर हम बना सकते हैं अगर हम इसको डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर दें. तो डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर डिजिट वाइज हमें देखना है. द हाइएस्ट नंबर इज़ 8, then 3, then 2, then 1. So the number is 8321. Question number 2 is, if 180 is divided by 15, then what is the question? So let us first divide it. 180 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 we are having. 8 minus 5 is 3. 0 will come down. 15 twos are 30. So the remainder is 0. So that means this 12 is the quotient. So we will write down 12. Now a number divisible by 3 and 8 is also divisible by 3. 8s are 24. Is also divisible by 24. Now here it is written question number 4. The cost of 5 pen is rupees 20. What is the cost of 15 pens? So first we will write down cost of 5 pen is given to us as rupees 20. So first we will go ahead and we will search it out. What is the cost of 1 pen? Cost of 1 pen will be equals to 20 by 5, that is 4 rupees. So the cost of each pen is 4 rupees. Now they are asking you find the cost of 15 pens. So we'll write down therefore cost of 15 pens is equals to 15 into 4, and 15 fours are 60. So the answer is 60 rupees. We'll write down 60 rupees. Next, if 3 or more lines intersect at a point, 2 लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करता है उसे इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन बोलते हैं. बट जब 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करता है तो उन्हें हम बुलाते हैं कॉन्करेंट लाइन्स. नेक्स्ट, द सप्लीमेंट. सप्लीमेंट मीन्स 180 डिग्री. 180 डिग्री में पेयर ऑफ एंगल 180 बनाते हैं जिसमें से एक पेयर 125 है. देन व्हाट विल बी द अदर पेयर? सो 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 55 degree. Next is question number 7. Divide 64 divided by 8 by repeated subtraction method. So we need to tell what we will get when we will divide 64 with 8. But for that we need to use subtraction method. How? 64 minus 8. We will subtract 64 with 8 and we will proceed on till we are getting the remainder as 0. So 64 minus 8 is 56 and 56 minus 8 is 48. 48 minus 8 is 40. 40 minus 8 is 32. 32 minus 8 is 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So we will see in how many steps it has been solved and we get the answer as 0. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step, 8 step. So in 8 steps we are getting 0. So the answer is 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Next is express 84 as son of twin primes. We know that 41 and 43 are twin prime numbers and we will add this, we will get 84. So 41 and 43 are the required twin prime numbers. Next is question number 9. Question number 9 they are asking is 2 1 by 4 plus 2 3 by 4. Now 4 to 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4. Again 4 to 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. Whenever we are having the same denominator, the numerator will add up directly. That is 9 plus 11 is 20 by 4. In the table of 4, 4 5s are 20 and the answer is 5. Now next is question number 10. It is asking you find the ratio between 1 week 5 days to 24 days. तो पहले तो प्रॉपरली 1 week 5 days को पूरा डेज में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. सो 1 week 5 days will be equals to 1 week has 7 days plus 5 is already in days. So finally it will become 7 plus 5 is 12 days. So the required ratio which we need to find it out is 12 upon 24. That is 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So the ratio is 1:2. Now coming down to question number 11, we will come to the geometry toolbox. Now we need to construct 30 degree and 115 degree with the help of protractor. First of all, you will draw a ray of any measurement of your choice and give it the name of this ray as OA, O, and A. So this is the ray OA we are having, and then we'll take our protractor. We'll keep the center point of this protractor in O, and OA should coincide with 0 degree. In the bottom you can see that 0 degree, then we are having 10 degree, then we are having 20 degree, then we are having 30 degree. So what we will do now, we will take a point in this. जहाँ पे 30 डिग्री आपको दिख रहा है वहाँ पे पेंसिल से एक पॉइंट मार्क कर लीजिएगा. Now after that you can take your scale and then you need to join that. तो उससे आपका 30 डिग्री कंस्ट्रक्ट हो जाएगा. Now with the help of pencil you can extend this and name this as B. Angle AOB is 30 डिग्री. ये हो गया. अब हमें कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है 115 डिग्री. सेम आप कोई भी सेगमेंट का ऑफ योर ओन चॉइस ड्रॉ अ रे, and again this time name it something different. Suppose I am giving it the name of OP. Then again we will take our protractor, and then we will see again the center point of protractor should be coincide with 0 and P should be coinciding with 0 degree. So now you can see that the center of the protractor is in O and P is coinciding with 0 degree. Then we need to construct 115. तो 115 कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे? स्टार्टिंग विद 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. फिर आया 110, फिर आया 120. 110 और 120 के बीच में है 115. आप 110 के बाद भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. 111, 112, 113, 114 एंड देन 115. ये आपको दिख रहा है 115 काउंटिंग में. वहीं पे एक पॉइंट मार्क कर लीजिए. उसके बाद स्केल लीजिए. स्केल लेकर के उसे आप ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. इन दैट वे वी विल गेट 115 डिग्री. वी विल ट्राई टू टेक द एग्जैक्ट एक्यूरेट मेजरमेंट. यस. एंड नाउ with the help of pencil and scale join another ray and name this ray as Q. So this angle POQ is 115 degree. So in this way we will construct 30 degree and 115 degree. Now question number 12 is we need to construct a triangle PQR of any measurement and we need to name its sides and angles. सपोज़ मैं इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल बना रहा हूँ 5 सेंटीमीटर. आप कितने भी सेंटीमीटर का बना सकते हैं क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर मेंशन नहीं किया गया है. सो सपोज आई एम ड्राइंग अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड देन आई विल टेक द राउंडर एंड आई विल कीप द मेजरमेंट ऑफ द राउंडर अगेन एज 5 सेंटीमीटर टू मेक एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. हियर यू कैन सी दैट आई हैव टेकन द आर्क मेजरमेंट ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर. वी विल कीप इट ओवर हियर एंड देन वी विल ड्रॉ एन आर्क ऑन द अपर पार्ट like this, and we will intersect this arc with another segment to get the last point of this triangle. When we will join with both the end point of the segment with this intersecting arc, we will get a triangle, and then we will name this triangle as PQR. So this is the required triangle PQR, and now we will name it according to that. Now here you can see that this is the required triangle for question number 12 which we were doing, that is PQR. This is the equilateral triangle as all sides are equal, all are of 5 centimeter. You can draw of any measurement of your own choice. Now first they are asking you name its sides. The name of its sides are PR, PQ and QR. Similarly they are also asking to name the angles also. So this is first angle, you can name it as angle QPR also and angle RPQ also. Suppose I am naming it as angle QPR. This is another angle, you can name it as angle PQR or angle RQP. So suppose I am giving it the name of angle PQR. Last but not the least, angle R, you can name it as angle PRQ or angle QRP. So suppose I am naming it as angle PRQ. So this is the required triangle with its sides and with the name of its angles. Now next here you can see that question number 13. What is the difference between the face value and place value of 5? Here you can see प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज़ इट्स डिजिट्स वैल्यू, तो उसकी डिजिट वैल्यू क्या है वो हम देखते हैं. ये 1s है, 10s है, 100 है एंड देन 1000. 5 इज़ इन 1000 प्लेस, सो द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज़ 5000. व्हाट इज़ द फेस वैल्यू? फेस वैल्यू मतलब 5 तो 5 ही होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स फेस, सो द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 इज़ 5 ओनली. नाउ वी नीड टू टेक आउट इट्स डिफरेंस, सो वी राइट डाउन रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंस will be equals to 10 minus 5 is 5, this will become 10, carry forward, this will 9, 9 and 4, so 9, 9 and 4, so the required difference is 4995. Next question number 14 is to find the LCM of 30, 48 and 120. So let's find out its LCM. So we'll go ahead with the lowest prime factor, that is 2. 2 15s are 30, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 0s are 0. Again we'll go ahead with 2. 2 15s are 2 12s are 24, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. Again we'll go ahead with 2. 2 15s are 2 6s are 12, 2 15s are 30. Now again we'll go ahead with 2 15s are 2 3s are again 2 15s are. Now we'll go ahead with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Last but not the least, 5 1s are. Now we will write down its LCM. LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 5 2s are 10. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and 24 into 10 is 240. So the LCM of given number is 240. Now next question number 15 is we need to divide and then we need to verify it. So first let us divide, that is 4732. We need to divide it with 102. Now we know that 102 4s are 408. So we will write down as it is. Now 3 will become 13, 7 will become 6. 13 minus 8 is 5, 6, 2 will come down. Now I'll go ahead with 102 6 are. 102 6 are is 612. Now 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we need to do the verification of this. How will you verify? We know the formula, that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we will substitute all these values for the verification. Dividend is 4732. Let us put the value, that is 102 into quotient is 46 and the remainder is 40. So 102 into 46 is 4692, and we will add up with this 40, then we are getting the dividend, that is 4732. So hence we are verified. Now next is to check the divisibility by 11. Question number 16. So इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैं करके दिखाऊंगा, ध्यान से देखिएगा. दैट इज़ 4 7 5 6 1 8. ये 11 से डिविजिबल है कि नहीं, टेस्ट बाय डिविजिबिलिटी. तो इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप करेंगे. स्टेप 1 ये है, इनके ऑल्टरनेट डिजिट्स को आप प्लस कर दीजिए अलग अलग. 8 का ऑल्टरनेट 8 का ऑल्टरनेट 6, 6 का ऑल्टरनेट 7 और नीचे से ऑल्टरनेट 1 का 5, 5 का 4. तो जो एक जगह ऑल्टरनेट था वो था 7 प्लस 6 प्लस 8, और दूसरे जगह जो ऑल्टरनेट डिजिट्स थे वो थे 4 प्लस 5 प्लस 1. तो 7 प्लस 6 इज़ 13, 13 प्लस 8 इज़ 21. ईयर 5 प्लस 4 इज़ 9, 9 प्लस 1 इज़ 10. स्टेप 2 में हमें इनका डिफरेंस देखना है, दोनों नंबर का. 21 माइनस 10 इज़ 11. स्टेप 3 में हमें देखना है ये 11 के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं. तो यस, 11 1 तो 11 ही होता है. सो डैट मीन्स इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 11. सो राइट डाउन इट इज़ divisible by 11. Next is question number 17, which is given over here as n plus 3 1 by 2 is equals to 5 3 by 4. Now first let us make it in a proper form. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2, 5 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4. So plus 7 by 2 will go that side and it will become minus 7 by 2. Now we know that the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 1s are 4, so 23 1s are 23. 2 2s are 4, that means 7 2s are 14. Now 23 minus 14 is 9. So you can convert it into the mixed fraction, that is QR by D. 4 2s are 8, so 9 minus 8 is 1. So we will write down in the mixed fraction as QR by D. So the value of n will be QR by D, 2 1 by 4. Next, question number 18. It is written as 21 is to 27 is equals to x is to 9. इसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला है, that product of extremes equals to product of means. We will write down that only. Product of extremes is equals to product of means. This is the formula for solving this type of question. Product of means. So बाहर वाला 21 into 9 they are product of extremes, and बीच का 27 into x they are product of means. So 21 into 29 into 27 उधर भेजोगे तो बन जाएगा divided by 27. That will tell us the value of x. 9 3s are 27 and 3 7s are 21. So the missing number is 7. Next is question number 19. Question number 19 we are having like that. The diameter of Earth from pole to pole is approximately 12,670 km. So what is given we are going to write down. That is diameter of Earth is given to us. Question number 19. The diameter of Earth is 12,670 km. Next, what is given is the value of pi is given to us, that is 22 by 7. Now we need to find out the circumference. First of all, we should know what is the formula of circumference. So the formula of circumference is pi times d. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 into the diameter is 12,670. In the table of 7 it is coming in 1810, and when we will multiply it with 22 we will be getting the final answer as 39,820 km. This will be the required circumference of the Earth. Now you can see here in question number 20, first you need to draw a cuboid. तो ये आप देख सकते हैं मैंने cuboid बना लिया है. उसके बाद इसमें यूलर्स फार्मूला वेरीफाई करने बोला है. यूलर्स फार्मूला वेरीफाई करने के पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए इस क्यूबॉइड के कितने एजेस हैं, कितने वर्टेक्स और कितने फेसेस हैं. आप देख सकते हो इसके ये 1 2 3 4 ऐसे काउंट करोगे तो इसके 12 एजेस हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ एजेस जो इसमें है दैट इज़ 12. सिमिलरली नंबर ऑफ फेसेस जो हैं इसमें 6 फेसेस होते हैं. इट इज़ हैविंग 6 फेसेस. सिमिलरली नंबर ऑफ वर्टेक्स जो है, नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस जो इसमें है दैट इज़ 8. तो अब यूलर्स फार्मूला क्या बोलता है, दैट whenever you put the value of e plus 2 you should get the same value as v plus f. ठीक है, तो LHS पहले ले लेते हैं. LHS में e plus 2 means we are having e means edges, that is 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. Now we'll go for the RHS, that is v plus f. Vertices means vertices we are having 8, faces we are having 6. 8 plus 6 14. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence we have verified the Euler's formula for cuboid shape. Next we are having question number 21. Through how many degrees does the minute hand of a clock turn in? अब आपको पता है क्लॉक में बेसिकली 2 हैंड्स होते हैं, आवर हैंड एंड मिनट हैंड. मिनट हैंड जो बड़ा काटा होता है, कुछ घड़ियों में सेकेंड हैंड भी होता है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी अबाउट द मिनट हैंड. जब मिनट हैंड 12 सपोज 12 पर है और पूरा एक सर्कल रिवॉल्यूशन बना करके वापस आएगा तो टोटल 60 मिनट्स कवर करेगा. 60 मिनट्स में वो 360 डिग्री बना रहा है, तो 1 मिनट में कितनी डिग्री होगी? 1 मिनट में होगा 360 डिग्री कंप्लीट रिवॉल्यूशन अपॉन हाउ मच? 60 मिनट्स. 0 0 कैंसिल हो गया, 6 6 36. डैट मीन्स 1 मिनट में 6 डिग्री है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर ए जो है वो पूछ रहा है 15 मिनट्स में कितना डिग्री होगा. सो 15 मिनट्स विल बी इक्वल्स टू 15 इंटू 6, दैट इज़ 90 डिग्री. Similarly 35 मिनट्स में कितना होगा? सो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. 35 मिनट्स इक्वल्स टू 35 इंटू 6. 6 5 are 30, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 is 21. सो 210 डिग्री. तो 15 मिनट्स में 90 डिग्री बनेगा और 35 मिनट्स में 210 डिग्री बनेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 में पूछ रहा है गिवन मेजरमेंट से ट्राइंगल बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा. तो इसके लिए एक प्रॉपर्टी है, कोई भी सम ऑफ 2 साइड्स अगर ग्रेटर है थर्ड साइड से देन ट्राइंगल इज़ पॉसिबल. तो सभी पॉसिबिलिटी हमें इसमें देखना पड़ेगा. तीनों केसेस, 3 केस की पॉसिबिलिटी होती है. या तो 6 + 10 की वैल्यू हमें कंपेयर करना है 12 से, या तो 10 प्लस 12 की वैल्यू हमें कंपेयर करना है 6 से, या 6 प्लस 12 की वैल्यू हमें कंपेयर करना है 10 से। सभी में ग्रेटर होना चाहिए। 10 प्लस 6 is 16 is greater than 12, 10 plus 12 is 22 greater than 6, 6 plus 12 18 is greater than 10. In all the cases we are getting sum of two sides, so we will write down last as sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, is greater than the third side, hence triangle is possible। एक में भी नहीं आता है तो ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल नहीं है। So hence in this case the triangle is possible as any sum of two sides is greater than its third side।